are the Luckmore family. So much love, it's clear to see. We are the Luckmore family. So come with us, what will we see? Luckmore family.
We're going in the water today. Yeah, you say pillow fight. Ready? Pillow fight. Ready? Pillow fight. Yuck. Pillow fight. Pillow fight. Aww. You slept 12 hours. Cruise ships are the secret. Ah. All right, let's go to CoCo Cay. It's gonna be a perfect. It'll be a perfect day on CoCo Cay. Boop. Breakfast time. Breakfast at the island. Wow. What do you see, Parker? What's out there? Coaster? Wow. Mmm. Oh no. Nom 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 nom.
I'm surprised you didn't get in the hash brown.
Parker's first chocolate milk. What do you think? Oh, you want to add the carton? Oh, he likes it. Uh-oh. Dangerous. Woo! Going all the way down. It's time to go washy washy. Here we go. There's the art gallery. Are we going outside?
Whoa.
Whoa, we're here. Here we go to CoCo Cay. Grandma. Dada. Baby. Yeah. You pointing out all the colors? Ooh, the sun is a-blazing. What? We're coming. Are you coming? Whoa. Golf cart parade. Woo! Woo, woo, woo! Someone's afraid of sand. Oh well. Whoa. Yeah, come in, get some water. Wow! Ready? Go! Wow!
Alright, we'll race again. I'll race it again, then we'll do it.
Let's go across. Hopefully that bucket doesn't fall. Whoa! Parker! Parker, come here! Come on! Come on across the bridge! Oh no. Oh no, hurry! Hurry! No, don't go that way! Don't do it! Don't do it! Oh no! Uh-oh, I'm in the safe zone, luckily. Here we go! Oh my goodness! Whoa! What are you doing? Ah. You got your own chair. Are you hiding from the sand? Celebrating Parker's first time at the beach and still hating the sand.
Let's touch it.
Ready? What do you do with the sand? You pour it back out. Whoa. Yay! Oh, yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck.
Oh, hell of yuck.
Sand, yay! Uh-oh, Grandma's making a sandcastle there. It's a sandarita! Perfect paradise. And that guy. Parker, look! What do you see? Do you see the lizard? Oh. We are working on conquering the fear of sand. Whoa, almost. Almost. Now Grandma has to carry him. Look at the lizard. Look at you, I'm so proud. Walking in that sand. Yay! And away he goes to the bar.
What song? Oh, I have to remind you for a second. With cats. Then I'll go back to you.
What do you see, Parker? Some music? Good dancing. Wow, off to the pirate ship we go. Wow. Wow, what do you got? You got some water? Whoa, wow, you got me. Oh no, you got, woo. Wow, hello. Look, I found the treasure. Whoa, I found the treasure. Wow. It's like jail treasure. Parker, can I have a cheers? Vacation. Cheers. Oh, almost. Ready? Try again. Cheers. Good job. Now drink some. Cheers. Good job. Cheers. Bam. Cheers. Have a drink. Paradise. Hi, Dada. Cheers. Oh, you want to try mine? Mango. Non-alcoholic. We are having a perfect day at CoCo Cay, and it even wiped out this one. So we're gonna go explore while Grandma goes to the beach. Oh, and it wiped out this one. Poor baby. By the straw market, they'll sell you.
Thank you.
$2. Oh, good performance, yes. Ah. Honest review, how's the hammock?
1800.
We found the pool. Huh. So one thing I wish the Disney ships had. What a swimmer! Yeah, they're just hanging out. What do you see? Birds. Yeah, look, they're in the pool. You gonna go get them? Come here. Whoa, good jump. Do it again, go jump. Whoa. Oh, hello.
Oh, I stepped on the green. I didn't know what it was.
Yes.
Oh, look at that.
You jump? Jump in. Good job. Jump in, jump in. Jump in. That's cool. And we are ending our perfect day at CoCo Cay. There it is. You swinging with watermelon? Hi, Dada. Hi, everyone.
Was it closed at night?
Yeah. Look at the mini golf, Parker. Look how nice. Whoa, look at this turtle. Come here. Turtle. Yeehaw, turtle. Say hello, everyone. I'm driving the royal bus. Where's Parker? Where is he? There he is, I see him! Where are you? Ah! Whoa, there's a whale. What else is there? There's a lighthouse. Where's your ball? Purple ball. How nice. Sunset mini golf, Parker. Oh, there's a bird. Do you see the bird? Parker, where's the moon? Where's the moon? There it is. You found it. Papa.
Purple, yeah.
Oh, purple and a cat. Whoa, busy boy. Time for an ice skating show. What do you think? Is it cool?
Ice cool.
Ice, ice, baby. Dun 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 dun. Ice, ice, baby. Dun 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 dun.
This video needs a freeze frame.
But I'm cha.
Lot more family.